This is my review on this sunroof wind reduction kit by Tesery. Happy with it. This is everything that's included in the package. I'm going to take it out to the car, I'm going to install it, I'm going to give you everything I think you ought to know. So, first of all, this passenger side, just slide it in, and literally I just ran my finger across and it fit perfectly in the groove. I was done with that side in like 10 seconds. The back, you'll see here in just a minute, it was also very easy. In fact, the gap was so large I was kind of concerned that it might just flop out while I was driving, but that's not the case. I've driven now for about a week and it has not, so it's holding up really good. But speaking of that gap being bigger, that's going to come back into the conversation when I get to the front because it is smaller. So the back was super easy. Again, another 10-15 seconds. And then this side here, this is the driver's side. It went in there with my finger, but then later I got the tool and I pressed it down even harder because it wasn't quite getting in there. This is probably a good size of a gap. So you got to use that tool just to get it in there. You'll see me poking and prodding it down there, but it went in and it fills that gap, does all the stuff. It's going to keep grime and stuff from getting in there, and hopefully it's cutting down on the wind noise as well, which is the reason I wanted it. So you can see me working on that. But now let me just talk about the front. Told you the back had a big gap. The front had a tiny gap. And so like this side, I was able to use the tool to get it in there. I probably spent 30 minutes on the front. Probably spent 2 or 3 minutes on all three of the other sides. So they say they can get it on in about 10 minutes or less. I think that really is the case. The problem is Teslas have an issue with gaps, and mine is a 2021 Model Y, and so I think they've gotten better over the years, so I'm pretty old here, so the gap was really, really tight. Did I eventually get it in? I did. So now I've been driving around for a week, and I think I can tell some reduction in wind noise. I do not have a decibel reader, so I can't say 100% sure, but I really tried to pay attention before I got the product, and then I tried to pay attention after, and I really feel like there's a little bit of a reduction. Is it night and day? No. I think what I need to do is get a seal kit for the doors as well, and I think that would just take it to the next level. Am I happy with it though? Yeah, I am. This is really pretty cool product. It's really easy to put on, and I would absolutely recommend it. All that said, look at the gaps before you order, just so you'll kind of have a clue, but you'll notice they're probably different, but hopefully yours is a little bit easier than mine. So anyway, here's the end results. I am happy with it. This was sent to me for an honest review, and I am happy to offer that honest review. I would purchase it, I would recommend it, and it's pretty cool. Hope that helps.